I'm Rashid Azmi and I'm from ES3. Today I will present my concept about smart cooker. So my concept is based on modern concept, which is my smart cooker have LED display and LED button. So this function will make user better to see the information about the cooker or the cooking and so on. Okay, my main focus to develop this idea is the portable smart cooker, because my cooker have its own exhaust fan that can make it convenient for user to buy it to use in the small space. That's all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And now we move to my concept for a cooker. Okay, so what is the ability of my cooker is that it has a fingerprint lock, so that it can ensure safety to prevent like children to play with the kitchen. Other than that, it has a cooker hood that can prevent the smoke from the cooking from spreading in the house. So we use the cooker hood to absorb the smoke. And lastly, via using the finger lock, then it has a shutter, or it can be used as a table also, so that when we do not use the kitchen, the shutter will close the induction cooker, so that it can secure safety and prevent from the kitchen caught on fire. So and lastly, I add some speaker or music player, so if you feel bored while cooking, or you feel like you need something that is entertaining, so the music player can play the music that you want, and the sound will be released from the speaker at the side of the kitchen. So that is my concept for this project. Thank you.
For my concept, I want to make it as simple as possible and compatible for a small house. As you can see, my design is very small and compatible for a small house. And even it is small, it has a mini induction cooker with its 4, and you can cook more than one dishes at the same time. It also has a heat detector to help to prevent overcook or the cooker from burn. So it will avoid your house from burning down the house. And it also has adjustable tube for the wooden table legs that you can fold it, so it will be more efficient if you want to move from another house, if you plan on moving. That's all.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Ahmad Fauzan bin Abi Hamzah, and now I'm going to present about my concept idea on smart stove. So first, I'm using stainless steel rod because it has a low heat capacity, which enable the cooking more faster. And I also have the warming drawer, and using infrared is to prevent the already cooked material become burnt. And other than that, I use enamel material because it is to prevent rusting and eliminates the odor that was caused by the food, and it also makes the user easy to cook that material. So other than that, I also have the retractable hood fan and using the carbon filter to catalyze the smoke from the cooking. And other than that, I also has an app that can detect oven heat, self-cleaning, preheat, and have access to a lot of different recipes. So that's the wrap of my idea.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good evening. My name is Muhammad Kamal Rizwan Muhammad Faizal and I'm going to present to you guys about my idea, concept about a multi-purpose cooker. So, typically, cooker must have a cooker. So, I'm adding 2 induction cooker and 1 hot pan that use induction technology too. The hot pan, just like we go to burger stalls, we can see the chef there cook the burger on the hot pan. So that is the main thing that I put it right here. Okay, the second thing is the body of the multi-purpose cooker. I choose aluminium, reinforced aluminium. So whether if it is damaged by certain catastrophe or any accidents, it can be repaired easily, and the cost of repairing this cooker will be lower than most cooker on the market. So on my cooker, I have 4 sets of wheels. All was made with glass fiber, which is strong, light, and durable. All sets of tires have 4 tires, and all of them can turn to 360 degree. And for the oven door, I use high quality tempered glass, which have also heat insulator material. So whenever the user touch the glass, they will never feel the heat. So their hands will not get injured by the heat generated from the oven. The oven also use electric, not traditional wood. Under the oven, I added a rack which we can fill with water if the user want to use the steaming mode. If the user doesn't want to use the induction cooker to steam their fish, perhaps they can use the oven, and they just can change the oven from grilling mode to steaming mode. Next, on the door, I have added a retractable handle, which we can see from previous designs of cooker or oven on the market. All of them have fixed handle, which sometimes injured the user because their hands accidentally touches the hot surface of the door. And also, I've added Wi-Fi to the interface, so the sensors in the oven can interact with the user's phone if they are connected to the Wi-Fi. And on the right side of the oven, I've added a retractable table. So if the user have a small house or medium house, they don't need to buy another table just for their kitchen. So they can use this retractable table to maybe cut their chickens or vegetables, and if they want to keep it, they just can retract it to its original position. So next is the hood. The hood doesn't need lots of energy. If the user was a weak person, just don't need to use their weak hand just to raise the hood up, because the hood was powered by hydraulic piston. So the user just need to push it a little and it will go up. And if the person was a short person, there's an addition convenience strap which the user can just sense a little bit and push the strap over. So the person or the buyers, of course, they can open and close the hood at any time. Behind of this cooker, I will show it right here. We have an additional handle
So if the buyer want to bring it anywhere, it is convenient for them to bring it maybe for hiking or camping purpose. So that's all from me. Thank you.